So in this video, now we'll try to learn what is the dummy variable trap. Already I created one video on this dummy variable and one not encoding. But I saw that some of them have that issue. What is dummy variable trap? So I think I will create one new video. So dummy variable trap is nothing that first thing is that how we going to use that dummy variable. So dummy variable we use when we need to convert that categorical data to numerical data. So suppose that I have male and female, so I cannot process on that. So I need to convert that in numeric format. Then only machine going to understand. So we're going to represent it by 0 or 1. And then since 2 column or 3 column or n number of column, if we remove that any one number 1 column, n minus 1 we can do, then still we can find if all those places is 0, then we can know, okay, this is that value belongs to which one. So let's see in that practical how this is going to work, and that is only called trap because now first column we need to delete in dummy variable that basically we not needed, and reason behind that deleting, if we keep it also it's not going to harm, but we going to delete since if we go and see number of column is there more, then computation power will be more. That's why we wanted to delete that unwanted column. So we just try to delete that first column. So let's see in practical. So we'll go it here. First thing, we'll try to import pandas. Pandas has PD. Okay, so now panda is imported. So suppose now I will create one variable D and I will try to store all those values. So I have all those, so I can paste it out here. So now I created that one array. There I am going to store that. What is that value of this one? D, where I store that male and female. So as this is not numerical data, so we cannot process on this. So to get this one in numeric format, we use that dummy variable. So now if I put that PD, because I imported pandas dot get dummy, get dummies, okay. And if I put up D, if I run this cell, so now how it's going to divide it. So since I have two values, so it divided female and male, 0 and 1 representation as we discussed previously. So it's representing in 0 and 1. So first one is male, that's why it represented female as 0 and male as 1. Second one is female, so here it's displaying 1, other place it's 0. In this way it's representing everything. So now if we go ahead and suppose if I delete it, so before to this one, now you might be thinking first one is male, then why it came as female first. So let me show you one more thing. We go and paste it and make as D1, and if we go ahead and copy this and I place on that first position, then we can execute it. I think okay, two times put that. Now we able to execute. Now we got it. Now we can try to create a dummy variable for D1 as well. Okay, so now we can see that still here we get that female first and then male. So what is doing dummy variable creation? It's by default sorting all those columns in alphabetical order, and then it's going to display it here. That's why we're seeing every time female first, then male. We can try to explain this one in more with one more example. So now suppose if I go ahead and delete this, okay, first one, that female, then still we can go ahead and get to know, okay, this is male or female. So suppose if I go ahead here, I will do for this and drop first equals to true. Okay, so if we execute this one, then what it's going to do, it's going to delete that first column. So if we know that if male value is 0, then it belongs to female, right? Because And if it's 1, then it's male. If it's 0, then it's female. Because right now we have 2. So suppose if we have 3, then how we will get to know? So as we know that how we'll get to know, let's see that here now in example. So suppose age range I have created at kids, old, children, and adult. Okay. If I go ahead and do it now, first thing I will go and do this. Okay. So in place of D1, now if I go and put that age, so now we can see that it's sorted all of them by alphabetical order. So first one is adult, then children. So A, C, K, and O. And it's now representing here is 0 because first one is kids. So it's here only displaying 1. And other value will be 0. So suppose if I go ahead and delete here also that first drop first equals to true. If I go and put it here. Okay. So what it's going to return to us? It's just deleted at adult column. So now we have these 3 columns. So if all those 3 are 0, then we get to know that first column that value have this, right? So that's why what we generally do, we delete that first column so that number of column is less, then our computation power will be more. And whenever we will represent that by 0 and 1 and we delete it 1, that is called that trap that not needed. So we're deleting it 1 and we can work with existing one. So I hope you like this video. Please let me know if you have any question or still you have any doubt. Please let me know. Thank you.